Ah. Ah. There you go, sweetheart. Oh. There you go, honey.
Is that it?
Ready? Whoa.
You're losing some over there.
Oh. Is it funny? Is it so funny?
He's spitting again.
Go ahead.
I
George
got
of the jungle over there.
Is it time for him to eat?
No, but I think you're supposed to feed him solids when it's not time, so he's not overly hungry or overly. He's doing good, isn't he? Did you see that one?
It says camp.
Tell him to say ah, Jackson. Tell him.
Ah.
Ah.
Don't do that.
Grace. What?
I was trying to sneak one in there. Hey, look at mommy. Ah. Ah. Gotcha. I got you, buddy.
You're gonna fall down.
He's eating a lot of
Okay,
this.
I'll turn this off. Do it one more time.
Ah. 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 You got a soul patch. Oops.
Hey, no, don't do that.
You got even more of a
Don't
soul
do
patch.
that.
Come here, you little urchin. You want one more bite? Say, ah.
Oh,
Hey,
found his hands.
look at mom. Ah. That's too slow. Ah.
Oh, hands.